A single sneeze rockets through the air at 100 miles per hour, outpacing most cars on the highway. This high-speed blast launches thousands of tiny droplets into a microscopic journey, turning every sneeze into a fascinating display of physics and biology. Each droplet, a minuscule vehicle, is potentially carrying millions of bacteria or viruses, spreading them faster than you can say Gesundheit. While it might feel like a momentary tickle in the nose, the sneeze is an extraordinary mechanism, evolved to clear irritants from our respiratory system with explosive efficiency. It's a reminder of the incredible power and speed our bodies can unleash in a split second, turning a simple sneeze into a high-velocity adventure you never expected. So, next time you feel that tickle, remember, you're about to unleash something faster than most cars on the road.